Contempt is the single fastest way to destroy emotional safety in a relationship. It's the eye roll when you're speaking, the sarcastic little joke that lands more like a slap, the sigh that says, "Here we go again," before they've even finished their sentence. I'm Dr. Amanda Pasciucco, and I've worked with couples for over 15 years to help restore the spark. So let's get clear on what contempt actually is, because most couples don't even realize it's there until the connection is already impacted. Contempt is not about sarcasm or joking, although sarcasm can lead to contempt. Contempt is the thought that your partner is beneath you. Here's why contempt sneaks in without you noticing. It's just these small, unresolved irritations that pile up over months and years. You get disappointed over and over, and instead of dealing with it, your brain does something protective. It puts your partner in a lower category. You say they'll never change. And once that thought takes root, every little thing that they do gets filtered through it. When you've been hurt or felt unseen for a very long time, you start to wear contempt as armor. In long-term relationships, contempt actually feels normal, but it's not. It's terrible. When your partner feels contempt from you, their nervous system registers, "I'm not safe here." Over time, the playfulness dies, and you end up being two people living in the same house who feel like roommates, exactly the opposite of the connection you would want. The good news is this: contempt only has power while it stays invisible. Once you name it, catch the eye roll, the sigh, the sarcastic joke in real time, you get to choose whether you keep feeding that belief that your partner is not worth it, or whether you choose to see them as someone worth conversing about emotional safety with. That single shift, the idea of seeing contempt clearly, is what starts turning distant roommates back into lovers. It just includes noticing, discussing, and changing behavior, the thing you can control. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and the bell. In the next few days, begin to notice those small moments. Just see them clearly, because clarity is the first step towards that intimate night that you would want.